Hey Mocha friends, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you're not missing out on any of my videos. Okay guys, so for today's video, I'll be doing a review / tutorial on these clip-ins I have received from Curlscurls. They sponsored this hair and wanted me to try out this new product of theirs. So I'm so excited because I love trying out new products, new hair, or whatever it is. I love trying it out, and especially I love to show it with you guys. So this is the new upgraded clip-in version of their clip-ins. So they're called the seamless clip-ins, and what that is designed to have a thinner track, and invisible track, and more comfortable for us to install on our hair. So I thought that was so cool because if you know some of the clip-ins, and I'm sure if you're watching this video, you know the same. A lot of us natural girls use clip-ins, of course, or extensions. And over time, sometimes when we have the clip-ins in our hair, it either gets uncomfortable and we notice that the clip-ins are in our hair. So these clip-ins are basically designed to be more comfortable for us and that we're not noticing that it's in our hair, and the tracks are more invisible. So that part I love because I've had clip-ins in my hair before and it's a little bulky, or the clips either tangle on my hair or snag on my hair when I'm trying to take them out or clip them in. It's hardest to clip in. So I love that they heard our cry about these clip-ins and wanted to come out with a new version of clip-ins for us. So I love that. So of course, from Curlscurls, I've never tried their hair before, but I've heard so many good things about their hair. So I'm so excited to try it out, and especially to try out their new clip-in version. So yes, so they have sent me 2 of their bundles of their natural curly hair in 16-inch. So this is one of the bundles. It has 6 pieces on here, and it's the natural curly 16-inch natural color. And this is what I mean by the seamless track. So it's supposed to be thinner for us, and especially with coverage, if you're leaving hair out, then it will be easier to cover your hair. Sometimes with clip-ins, because they're a little bulky, you can see that imprint of the clip-ins. Even when you try to cover your hair, you can still see the clip-ins. So I love how thin this is. It shows even if you are leaving hair out, you can barely see it. It's so thin, like it will be tapered to your hair, so you can't really see it. So I love this. I really do. And this is the other one that I have received. So as I mentioned, these are 2 bundles of 6 pieces, and altogether it creates 12. So I love that they did this. So natural. So I can't wait to install this in my hair. And also this is 100% human hair, virgin human hair. I can't talk. 100% virgin human hair. So you'll be able to put heat on it. You're able to dye it, but I'm not doing any of those because I love just a natural color. Also in the package, they send extra clip-ins just in case one of the clip-ins come out from the track, and you can go ahead and have extra ones just in case that happens. So I do like that. And also it comes with this, and basically instructions on how to care for the hair, steps what you need to do with the hair when you unbox the hair, showing you the seamless track, and also showing you steps if you want to dye it. So I do really like that. Okay guys, so as you can see, I'm starting to wash the hair, and I noticed a little trick. Well, it's not a trick, but I did see that someone just left the hair together and washed it. And I thought this way was different instead of cutting everything first and then washing each track. So I thought this way was easier, just to wash everything basically in the bundle. And I'm just going to use conditioner. Sometimes shampoo can be a little drying, so I rather use conditioner only just to soften up the curls a little bit more. This is one of the tracks, and it comes with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and of course this is the last part. So you see how thin that looks, and so it's designed, as I mentioned, to be a little bit more comfortable and invisible as you place each track. So I'm so excited to try this out. Also, I did forget to mention as well, this texture is a 3-bead 3C natural curly clip-in. So I went ahead off camera, did my hair because I do not know how to braid and I do not know how to part. So I just, did a little twist. Don't judge, don't judge. I did a little twist, a little swoop, swoop, swoop. And also, if you guys are looking like, okay, why does she have so much of her hair pulled back, no hair out? So what I'm going to do is try my best as much as possible to not leave any of my hair out. So I'm going to try these clip-ins with no leave out. And I know you're probably like, okay, how is she going to do that? So just keep on watching if you want to see. And as I mentioned, because these clip-ins are so thin and invisible, it will be really hard to tell that I do have clip-ins in. So stay tuned. Okay guys, so as I mentioned, I said I wanted to do little to no leave out. So I was having a little trouble. So what I'm going to do is kind of do like a little method like this, like a flip over method with the clip-ins, and place it this way instead and clip it onto the other clip-in. And since these are invisible clip-ins, it'll be harder to detect. So I'm gonna try and see if it works out this way and do like a flip over method like that and see how that works out. So as I'm placing each of these clip-ins, guys, I just wanted to point out how easy it is to place them in my head. So I've had clip-ins in the past where they're either pulling on my hair or I have to readjust them because it's weighing down my hair a little bit, so it takes a little bit longer. But because these clip-ins are thinner, it's easier to adjust and place in the scalp and just clip and go. Of course, you can feel the clips, but it's not as much because it is thinner, and you can just place it easy on your scalp. And the only reason why I'm adjusting them now, of course, because I want to leave no hair out. So I just want to place it a certain way so that the hair will be able to cover the other tracks, because of course I'm not leaving any hair out. But other than that, these clip-ins are really comfortable. I love it. Okay guys, so before I finish, I want to show you guys exactly what I'm doing. I got a little carried away. So I went in the bathroom and I was messing around with it. And I'm like, okay, these curls are too tight for my liking. So I just brushed it out a little bit so that it can be a little bit more loose, like my own texture. And especially since I'm not leaving none of my hair out, I did want it to kind of blend to how my natural hair is, especially with this up top right there. So okay guys, so this is the final results of my hair after installing each of the 10 pieces in my hair, and it created this full volume look. So 10 pieces are designed to fool your whole head. And as I mentioned, I do not have any leave out, so this fooled my whole head. And I'm like, okay. And also too, if you don't notice a little bit, the texture is a little different what you've seen in the beginning. So once you wash the hair, the curls are super tight. So I wanted the curls to resemble more of my texture hair. Even though I do not have any of my hair out, I just wanted to just feel like it's my hair. Of course, I have it in my head, so it's my hair. Anyways, so I just went ahead and used my dimming brush and just brushed the curls out so it can have like a looser look and not so tight. So just to prove that this is the same hair, I have it right here. I pushed in the back, so just to show you that it is the same hair. And then this part, I just went ahead and brush so that the hair can basically be a little bit looser. And I love this a lot better because it just reminds me of my own hair. My curls are a little bit looser, so I like this way better. Also too, ladies, if you are looking for this same texture, I will leave the link in the website below in my description box. It is the 3B 3C texture natural curly seamless clip-ins, 16-inch in a natural color. It's 100% virgin hair. You can dye it, you can put heat on it, anything you want to do with it, you can, because it's 100% virgin hair. And I absolutely love it. So thank you again, Curlscurls, for reaching out to me and sending this hair. This is my honest review. I like it, especially after brushing everything out. I will say I did have a little bit of trouble trying to, well, you know, I don't have any of my hair out like I mentioned, but I had a little bit of trouble trying to blend and cover up the tracks. But because the tracks are so thin, it's easier to cover it up. So I love it. So I thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more videos.